Today topic is acoustic and sound insulation as well as dam proofing. This is Dr. J. Sagaruman, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So in order to what is acoustic, in order to achieve more comfortable interior spaces on acoustic level, it is necessary to control the opening in an enclosure as well as ambient waves that surrounded the building. Noise control inside a building can be achieved by following construction techniques while construction of the building. The construction technique of wall, window, door and the floors and the selection of appropriate building material are discussed for better acoustic control in the building. The discomfort of noise within the building goes on increasing if the structural element within the building don't show any resistance against the noise. It is found that the noise transmission is intercepted when it passes through the wall, floor, window, ceiling and the building doors. Method of sound insulation. The method of sound insulation will depend on the type of noise to be treated and the degree of sound insulation required. The method of sound insulation can thus be classified into three main categories. First one is when the sound of noise is in the room itself. Second one is when the noise is airborne. Finally, when the noise is structure-borne. Dam proofing. Let us see. Dam proofing in construction is the type of moisture control applied to the building wall and the floor to prevent moisture from passing into the interior spaces. Dampness problems are among the most frequent problems encountered in residence. The dam proof is generally applied at basement level, which restrict the movement of moisture through the wall and the floor. Properties of material for dam proofing. First one is it should be impervious. It should be strong and durable and should be capable of withstanding both dead as well as live load without damage. It should be dimensionally stable. Finally, it should be free from delinquent salt like surface chloride and nitrate. Types of material for dam proof course. There are some of the commonly used materials are, one is a flexible material like bitumen, which may be a fiberglass, fiber-based plastic sheet. There is a polythene sheet also used for dam proof. Semi-rigid material like mastic, asphalt or combination of material or layer. Rigid material like first-class brick, stone, slate, cement, concrete also used for the type of materials. So that selection of material for dam proof, the choice of material to function as an effective dam proof course requires a selection. It depends upon the climate and atmospheric condition and the nature of the structure. The dam proof course prevent dam from the ground rising up the level walls and damping your property. Property which have no appropriate dam protection layer or has to damage dam course may be affected by the excess moisture rising from the ground. Dam proofing course is be provided. So the figure shows that dam proof course is used in the building. So this is the dam proof course we have to use in the building. This is a brick core. This is a dam proof course is used for a wall. So the method of dam proof course installation construction. The general principle to be observed while laying the dam proof are the dam proof course should cover the full thickness of the wall excluding the rendering. The mortar bed upon which the dam proof is laid should be made level, even, free from projections. Uneven base like to cause damage of dam proof course. When the horizontal dam proof course is to be continued up a vertical face, the cement concrete fillet 75 mm in radius should be provided at the junction before the treatment. Each dam proof course should be placed in the correct relation to other dam proof course to ensure a complete and continuous barrier to the passage of water from the floor, wall or roof. So this is all about the acoustic and dam proofing course. Thank you so much for watching.